Alright guys, so I haven't made a video in a really long time, and I have been busy, believe me. I've been sick, I've been busy. Every excuse in the book is on really my table right now. I was in between computers for a while since our other one, for a lack of words, got destroyed, and we finally upgraded to MacBook Pro. I'm running OS X Line and everything, and all the works. So if you guys remember the emulators I've been using, most importantly gpsPhone, you can use a cheat, um, like a cheat ability, and you can put in codes and you can do cheats. Some people really don't know how to do it, but I will be showing you guys an easy way to do it, and I'll even show you a way you can do it on your iPod and only your iPod or your iPhone or whatever the heck you're using. I am going to be using my iPod Touch. I recently upgraded to 5.1. I will be doing an Untethered Jailbreak 5.1 video since Absinthe was released a few weeks ago. So I'm going to show you guys a little video on, or I'm just going to show you guys the ROMs that I have. So as you can see, I'm going to load up gpsPhone here, and I have all these ROMs. Some of them I have cheats for, some of them I do not, but I will be demonstrating some cheats for Pokemon Emerald, for those of you who are hardcore Pokemon fans. So what you're going to want to do is you're going to want to go to any file manager. You can be using iFinder, MyFiles, or iFile. I'm going to be using iFile for this video. As long as you can create a file and put it and move it to a certain directory, you're going to be perfectly fine. So I'm going to open up iFile. Hit the home button, and then you'll be at var mobile. You're going to go into media, scroll down, you go into ROMs, and then you go into GBA. Please note, you have to have gpsPhone before you do this. So as you can see right here, this is the format it has to be in. But anyway, go to edit in the top right hand corner, go to the bottom left hand corner, hit the plus sign to create a new document. When right there where it says attributes, you're going to go to type and change it to a regular file. Then hit go back, type in the name, and this is the format that it is going to be in. So you're going to have no parentheses. So anyway, the name of it is going to be your ROM name, and then have the extension on there. So if you have the GBA at the end, so like for example, like GBA, have that in there. Then whatever the name of the ROM name is, just copy it in, but make sure you add .cht. Make sure you add that extension, otherwise this will not work. It could look like this: Pokemon Emerald .gba.cht. That's an example of a cheat thing. If it's spelled actually like Pokemon Emerald.gba, just add the CHT and you're good to go. I've already created numerous cheat files for Pokemon Emerald, so I'm not going to go through the time to show you it. But anyway, that's what you would do. So go into the cheat file you just made. Go to text viewer. And then disregard all this because that's cheats I've done in the past. Now, go to your browser on your computer or on your iDevice and open up a new tab. And all you have to do is search your ROM name, and then at the end put Game Shark codes. So if I'm doing Pokemon Emerald, so Pokemon Emerald Game Shark codes. For those of you who know what an action replay is, I don't know if the action replay codes work on this, but I mean, give it a shot. They may work, they may not, whatever. Just don't hold me to it. Hit search. You're gonna go to one of two websites. Go to the Super Cheats, which is decent, or go to IGN. IGN I like better, in my opinion. It's less cluttered and there's no repeats. But we're gonna go to Super Cheats for this one. As you can see, there are all these codes. you can add all these codes if you want them. Remember, you can't go over 8 lines of codes, so that's a kind of a hold back on there. Anyway, as you can see on here, what you're gonna do is you're gonna have, I know, like if you see other videos, they put the Game Shark underscore v3 on there. Don't put that, because that's only gonna end up in the title. What you're gonna do, you're gonna put the title of the cheat. So this is infinite master balls. So I have 999 master balls. Then copy your code. If it's a 1-line code, just copy it like that. As you can see with walk through walls, it's a 2-line code. So it's this code and then the code right under it. Basically, you're just gonna split them up, and that's you're just gonna split them up. So if it's 2-lined, like originally, as you can see, it would have been the original code. The original code looked like that. You can't have that, otherwise, because the gpsPhone, it recognizes 2 lines as one cheat. So as you can see, like it'll show that like this is one cheat and this is a separate one, but you can't have that. So what you're gonna do is you're gonna separate it and just add the same title. So walk through walls, and then it'll recognize it as those two as different cheats. Enable them both in the order that the code came in, and it should work just fine. If you have any problems with putting in codes, just leave a comment in the section below. I will answer all of them and any of them that require direct attention. So I'm going to show you guys some videos of some cheats that I had used in the past and how they would work. These are for Pokemon, just so you know, so don't even worry about it. Here's walk through walls. This one is pretty simple enough to do, or to pull off even. And this is for Fire Red. Each codes are gonna be different. So you're gonna go to menu, go to the toggle cheats, and you see I have them separated. So you're gonna enable them both in the order that the code came in, and then you'll eventually be able to walk through the walls. So you see I'm not supposed to walk on the counter at all. Right here, I'm gonna walk outside a little bit, and I'm gonna walk right through the Pokemon Center. So as you can see, realistically you shouldn't be walking through buildings. So that's a sign that your cheat works. Another one that I'll show you guys is to catch opponent's Pokemon. You're not really supposed to be able to do this, but I've been doing it a lot, and I found it easier to find more Pokemon. So I'm going into a gym battle right now. I'm going to enable all of them. This is a 4-line code, so just hit the second one. I'm going to split them all up and enable them in that order. Okay. So I'm going into battle right now. So you're going to go to the pocket that your Pokeballs are in. Hit L, as you can see right here, you have to hit L and R at the same time. Then go back, then use your Pokeball. I'm using a Master Ball for the sake of time. And then as you can see, it goes right up, just as if I were in a wild battle. Something that I didn't add at the end, as soon as you capture the enemy Pokemon, regardless of if they have like 6 more, they'll get captured in any way. Another various type of cheating is when you're doing a warp. So you're going to go to toggle loaded cheats and enable the warp. There, I enabled it. For warp codes, all you have to do is walk through a door and it'll send you there. So as you can see, I'm at Birth Island right now to fight Deoxys, even though I already fought him and captured him. And as you can see, you have to disable it, otherwise you'll just end up at the same place. And that's basically how that works. Alright, so that's going to be pretty much it, guys. Leave a comment in this comment section below if you guys need any help. Like the video and make sure to please subscribe. I was asked by YouTube to become a YouTube partner. I'm pondering it. I'm thinking about it. If you guys think I should, leave it in the comment section below, or say I should by subscribing. Thank you for your time and have a nice day.